Foundation problems can be a nightmare for homeowners, but knowing how to handle them early can save you a ton of stress and cash down the line. First off, if you notice cracks in your walls or floors that seem to be getting worse, don't just ignore them. Try to check if your doors and windows are sticking or not closing right. That's a classic sign your foundation might be shifting. It's super important to keep water away from your foundation, so make sure gutters and downspouts are directing rainwater far enough from your house. If you've got a crawl space, keep an eye out for dampness or mold, which can mess with the wood supports and cause serious issues. When you see any signs of foundation trouble, call a professional structural engineer to get a proper assessment instead of trusting quick fixes or sales pitches. They'll measure everything carefully and give you a clear plan on what needs to be done, like installing helical piers or waterproofing solutions. Also, don't wait too long to address the problem, because small shifts can turn into big, expensive repairs. Lastly, keep records of all inspections, and RepairSit helps if you ever sell your home or need further work done. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring early warning signs like wall cracks or doors that won't close properly, which can cause more damage if left unchecked. Another common issue is poor drainage around the home, where water pools near the foundation and leads to soil erosion or shifting fix-it by extending downspouts and grading the yard away from your house. The third mistake is trying to fix foundation problems without a structural engineer's input. Relying on contractors who just want to sell you quick fixes can cost you more in the long run. The fix here is simple. Get a qualified engineer to evaluate the situation and recommend solid, tested solutions before spending thousands of dollars. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.